Hello friends, I just wanted to give you a lesson. This is one of our afternoon lessons for the kindergarten group, but other children y'all can watch also. You're invited to our afternoon group. So it's going to be a little tricky with me holding this phone, but I'm going to give it a try. We're going to learn about the parts of the turtle. So here's our puzzle, the parts of the turtle. So do you remember the name of the big part, the shell? Do you remember that? Yeah, that's called the carapace. And then he's got a head and a neck. Do you remember what the name of his mouth is called? A beak. Remember his beak? And then we haven't talked about the bottom part of the turtle, but it's called the plastron. Can you say plastron? And he's got a tail. And he's got limbs or legs. This puzzle is missing one, but actually some animals can live without body parts, so it is kind of, actually could be. But anyway, so we have the whole turtle here. And these are the cards that go with them. Here's the whole turtle. Move that up a little bit. And then we have the word carapace to go by the carapace. Let's see if we have one that says head. Yes, here's the card that says head, which you know it includes the neck, the eyes, and the beak, the brain. I mean, you could just, I'm sure y'all could tell me a lot about that. And then we have the plastron. There's the card for plastron. And the word plastron. And here's the tail. And then the limbs here also include claws. Did you know turtles have claws? Unless they are turtles from the ocean. And then what do they have? Do they have claws? They may have claws, but they also, their limbs are a little different. Their limbs are like flippers, right? Okay. So now let's match the cards we've got. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, guys. So here are the match to the claws. Here's a picture of the plastron. We'll match that. Plastron. Here's a picture of the whole turtle. We'll match that there. The head. The limbs. Do you know how many limbs a turtle has? You can't see them all in this photograph. You can only see 1, 2, 3, but where's the other one? The fourth one, yes. Can't see that in the picture. But y'all are old enough to understand that. And then we have the carapace. And the tail. Then we have the words that go with them. This says, sorry about my bare feet. You know, in the afternoons when we do work, we can take our shoes off. I'm making myself at home here. Head. Claws. Plastron. limbs, turtle. Now, who remembers the name of the family that the turtle lives in? Reptiles, right. This says tail. And the carapace. Turtle, carapace, head, plastron, tail, limbs, and claws. Thank you for coming to this afternoon group about the parts of the turtle.